I love my family.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
I love how they try and include me in all aspects of their life. I love their cute little Nerf battle games. I love their no-quit attitude. I said not in the house. But sometimes I love them better when they're in a different room.
Mom, where are you? Mom, I need your help. Mom!
And that's when my favourite design tip comes in. I call it motherhood zoning. Motherhood zoning is all about strategically placing doors around the house so that you can close off different rooms. Motherhood zoning will become one of the greatest features of your home. Need time to yourself? Motherhood zone it. Got something you don't want to look at? Motherhood zone it.
Mom!
But the best thing about motherhood zoning is it saves you energy. When you close the door, you're only heating and cooling small spaces rather than the whole house. And you get to tell the kids that you have to shut yourself away to save the environment.
Mom, hungry.
Stella, leave her alone, child. She's saving the environment.
Thanks for watching. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next renovation or new build.
Now, not everything we've done here on the sunny Gold Coast will be right for your home. Every home is different, and what's right for you will depend on where you live, whether you're renovating or building, your budget and your goals.
So jump on the website for some more great tips and ideas, and to learn how you can create a home for yourself that is healthy, efficient and comfortable.